I'm Pat, and I'm teaching you Tagalog every day in 2025. This week, we're learning common verbs used around the house. Today's Tagalog word number 61 is magluto, to cook, magluto. In the present tense, you would say, nagluluto ako, I am cooking. Nagluluto ako. To be more specific, you could use the sentence marker nang, as in, nagluluto ako ng pansit. I am cooking pansit. Or, nagluluto ako ng adobo. I am cooking some adobo. In the past tense, it's nagluto ako ng blank. Nagluto ako ng spaghetti kahapon. I cooked spaghetti yesterday. Nagluto ako ng spaghetti kahapon. In the future tense, it's magluluto ako. Magluluto ako ng lumpia bukas. I'm going to make lumpia tomorrow. Magluluto ako ng lumpia bukas. As a question, it would be, anong niluluto mo? What are you cooking? Anong niluluto mo? And to be respectful when you're speaking to elders, remember to add the word po. Ano po ang niluluto nyo? And nagluluto po ako. Here's that word again. Magluto, to cook. Magluto. Paalam!